In this video, we will learn how to submit your Scratch task in Google Classroom. Open your projects, then click the project you want to submit. I have opened my snake game. First, you have to name your file, name your project. It is snake game, so I have named it snake game. Now click on File, Save to your computer. The project will be saved in your downloads. Let's check. Now let's open our classroom. Open Scratch class. It was task number 14. Click on task 14. So it was snake game. Now click on add a file. Click on upload. Now upload your file from downloads. After uploading, click on Turn In. Now your project is submitted.